and unbox this nice, lovely air fryer. Air fryer. Whew. So out. I know nothing. Alright, that means I gotta turn to the side. Turn to the side. Turn to the side. Not that heavy. I thought it was going to be heavy. It's not heavy at all. I can't wait to cook in this thing. And like I said earlier in the video, we got more time now on our hands than ever to use this bad boy. So here's the air fryer. Pretty darn huge, huh? This one's air fryer is called the Kitchen HQ, the Smart Fryer Oven. Another one of my mom's proteges when she ordered, so we'll be using it. It's a Smart Fryer Oven, and of course they always give you recipes. Look at that, that look good, honey. This right here is a pan that goes inside of it. That's a pan that goes inside of here as well. What else is in the box? You had, I open it up here. Got lots of things to take out, like some cardboard, some more trays in here. There's a tray. I've got some things, it's a couple trays in here. So they fit right in the bottom. What else is in here? They got paper around the, I should read directions, shouldn't I? So, all right. So I guess we'll keep reading. Let's see. It tells me to save these instructions for household use. Of course, we're going to save these instructions for household use.
Boy, if you don't...
All right. Let's pull up a seat here. Let's see. It's a touch digital control panel. It has an air intake vents in the back. Hot air outlet, handle, that was the handle, that's the handle that I had. No, this is the assembly fetch tool. You got the rotisserie split, which is, the rotisserie split is this, and you can put your chicken in here, bam, 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 rotisserie split, woo. All right, so we got that. What else do we have? They're ready to get into it. We ready to eat, baby. You have the splash guard heating element protect grid. Those were the 3 grids that I had. You also have the air racks. The 2 air racks. There's an air rack in here. Paper out of there. It's around the roll, so I'm assuming that comes out. And it does, just like that. So there's the air rack. Take that out. We don't need that anymore. That's a goner. It's got all kinds of paper assembly. Alright, so of course there's some. Alright, there you go. It's got some stuff to do. Our assemblator. Right now we not assembling, but that goes in there as well. So we have that. Alright. Since you can air fry toast, pizza, fries, corn on the cob, cupcakes, chicken wings, chicken thighs, steak, ribs, shrimp, and fish. And of course, I've seen people do other things with theirs.
A few moments later. One eternity later.
You can air fry, okay, you have the air fry racks, the rotating, the dehydrator, the air fruits, the crumb and oil tray, the rotating screws. We had everything in here. The air rock grooves and the rotating accessory rail. So
Eventually.
that's what we have. And I think it's pretty cool. We're going to see how it works later when we come back. And we'll come back with a cooked version. We'll cook with it. So until then, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye now.